Saily eSIM is making waves in the world of international travel, but is it the right choice for you? Stick around, because we're breaking down 12 key things you need to know before buying and comparing it to other options, so you can make an informed decision. First up, Saily eSIM supports over 190 countries, giving you extensive global coverage. It's perfect for frequent travelers, but competitors like Airalo and Holofly offer similar coverage. The key difference lies in pricing and flexibility, which we'll cover in a moment. Next thing, Saily's pricing is competitive, but not always the cheapest. For instance, Airalo often has lower cost regional plans, and Holofly includes unlimited data options that Saily doesn't offer. While Saily's rates are fair, it's essential to compare prices for your destination. The third thing to know is activation. Saily's eSIM is easy to set up. All you need is a QR code. But this is standard among competitors too. Where Saily excels is its app's user-friendly design, making the process straightforward, even for first-time eSIM users. The fourth thing, data packages. Saily focuses on data-only plans, which means you'll still need a secondary option for calls or texts. If you need more than just data, some competitors like Holofly offer plans with voice options, which might be worth considering. Next, Saily doesn't require a subscription. You pay for what you use, which is great if you travel occasionally. However, Airalo's frequent flyer plans could save you more if you're a heavy user, so weigh your travel habits before committing. Another thing to keep in mind is speed. Saily promises 4G LTE in most locations, which is standard for eSIM providers. However, speeds can vary depending on the local network, and you won't always know which carrier you'll connect to until you're on the ground. The seventh point, device compatibility. Saily works with most eSIM-compatible smartphones, but make sure your phone is unlocked and eSIM-enabled before purchasing. Some older models may not support it, which is true for all providers. Next, refunds and customer service. Saily offers a refund policy if the eSIM doesn't work, which is reassuring, but it's not unique. Airalo and other providers have similar guarantees. Saily's 24/7 customer support is a plus, but response times can vary. The ninth thing, expiration. Saily's plans have a set validity period, so any unused data will expire. If you're looking for rollover options, Saily doesn't provide them, unlike certain competitors who let you extend unused data for an extra fee. Next, app performance. Saily's app is clean, intuitive, and highly rated, making it easy to manage your eSIMs. However, its functionality is comparable to Airalo's app, which offers similar features, including the ability to track data usage in real time. The 11th point is regional coverage. Saily has strong coverage across Europe and Asia, but in certain regions like Africa or South America, competitors might offer better local options. Be sure to check network reviews for your specific destination. Finally, reliability. Saily is a solid choice for most travelers, but it's not the only option. Airalo and Holofly often match or exceed Saily in specific areas like unlimited data or cost-effective regional bundles. So, is Saily eSIM worth it? It's a good option, but if you want something better, check out our recommended solution linked below. It's easy to try with no upfront commitment, and it might just be the perfect fit for your travel needs.